Ever wondered if VeChain's potential for big moves is on the horizon? Today we're discussing that very question, fueled by a recent prediction from CryptoZX. This crypto analyst and YouTuber has made waves with his forecast for VeChain, suggesting that a surge to new all-time highs could be imminent. The secret to this surge? VeChain's ability to break through certain resistance levels. Currently consolidating around the 3 cents price range, VeChain's goal, according to CryptoZX, is a surge that takes it beyond the crucial resistance level of 3.33 cents. A break above this resistance level could pave the way for VeChain to reach new highs, potentially as high as 4.425 cents. But what's influencing these price movements? And how does the broader market downturn factor in? Let's delve deeper into why VeChain may be on the brink of a significant leap. A number of factors are primed to propel VeChain to new heights. Noted crypto analyst CryptoZX recently released an update on VeChain's price movements. According to him, VeChain may be consolidating around the 3 cents price range, yet the cryptocurrency's ambition reaches far beyond. It's expected to surge past a crucial resistance level at 3.33 cents. This resistance level is not just an arbitrary figure, it's a critical threshold. Should VeChain manage to break through it, the possibility of surging to new highs becomes significantly more likely. CryptoZX even predicts that the price of VeChain could rise as high as 4.425 cents, should it overcome current resistance levels. Now, it's important to recognize the context in which these predictions are being made. The market's recent downturn has led to VeChain's fluctuating price movement along the support line. And yet, despite this downturn, the potential for growth remains. CryptoZX anticipates a retracement of around 17.26% from the key resistance level. But what could trigger such a retracement? Well, if Bitcoin succeeds in surpassing the crucial levels at $46,000, VeChain could surge to new yearly highs. Yes, the fate of VeChain is somewhat tied to the performance of Bitcoin, the flagship of all cryptocurrencies. While the market's downturn has kept VeChain's price in check, the coin's potential remains untapped. The resilience it has shown in the face of market adversity is indicative of the strength underlying this cryptocurrency. This resilience, coupled with the potential boost from Bitcoin's performance, could be the catalysts that propel VeChain into uncharted territories. So, it's clear that VeChain is standing at the precipice of a potential price surge. The resistance level, the market's downturn, and Bitcoin's performance are the key factors in play. The next move for VeChain could be monumental if it manages to break through these key resistance levels. But before we look ahead, let's take a moment to understand where VeChain stands right now. VeChain, a cryptocurrency that's been on the radar of many investors, is currently navigating through some turbulent waters. In the past 7 days, the digital asset has seen a decrease of about 1.51%, trading at 2.7 cents at the time of this recording. This downward motion isn't exclusive to VeChain alone. The majority of the market is also grappling with a similar downturn, painting a rather gloomy picture for most cryptocurrencies. This decline, as pointed out by CryptoZX, is due to a variety of factors. The crypto market's recent downturn has led to VeChain's fluctuating price movement along the support line. The analyst anticipates a retracement of around 17.26% from the key resistance level. Despite this, he predicts that VeChain could surge to new yearly highs if Bitcoin manages to surpass the crucial levels at $46,000. While the current trading value of VeChain might seem discouraging to some, it's essential to remember that the world of cryptocurrencies is highly volatile. A downturn today doesn't necessarily spell doom for the future. In fact, it might just be the calm before the storm, a period of consolidation before a potential surge. Interestingly, even amidst this downturn, VeChain's market capitalization has remained strong. It's holding its ground firmly above the $2 billion mark. This robust market capitalization, even in the face of a decrease in the trading value, might seem paradoxical to some. But it's a clear indication of the underlying strength and potential of VeChain. It shows that investors are still holding on to their assets, indicating an underlying belief in the cryptocurrency's potential for future growth. In the world of cryptocurrencies, fortunes can turn overnight. Today's downturn could well be the precursor to tomorrow's upswing. And with the kind of resilience VeChain has displayed, it might just be gearing up for some big moves. Despite this downturn, VeChain's market capitalization remains strong, indicating potential for future growth. VeChain's value doesn't seem to match up with its progress. Could it be that VeChain is undervalued? Let's take a moment to unpack this idea. VeChain, as a blockchain platform, has seen considerable expansion and development. It's not just a cryptocurrency, it's a comprehensive solution that aims to streamline supply chain management and business processes. It's a technology that brings transparency, efficiency, and traceability to a wide range of industries, from luxury goods to pharmaceuticals, from agriculture to logistics. Despite these advancements and the traction gained by VeChain in various sectors, the price of VeChain's token, VT, has not kept pace. Its value, at least in the eyes of the market, does not seem to reflect the level of innovation and potential it carries. In other words, there's a mismatch between the price and the progress, a disconnect between how the market values VeChain and the tangible value it delivers to businesses and consumers. And this is where the concept of VeChain being undervalued comes in. The price of a cryptocurrency is determined by a multitude of factors, including market sentiment, investor behavior, regulatory news, and more. However, it's also influenced by the perceived value of the technology behind it. Now, if we look at VeChain's accomplishments, the partnerships it has forged, the solutions it has developed, and the real-world problems it addresses, it's hard not to see its potential. Yet its price doesn't quite mirror this potential. This leads to the prediction that VeChain might be undervalued, that the market has yet to fully recognize its worth. But remember, the market is not always right, and it's not always rational. Sometimes it takes time for the market to catch up with reality. Sometimes assets are overlooked or undervalued until they're not. So, could VeChain be a sleeping giant in the crypto world, ready to awaken? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear, considering its advancements, VeChain could very well be a sleeping giant ready to awaken. So, what does all this mean for VeChain and its potential for big moves? Let's unpack it. Firstly, we have CryptoZX's analysis, predicting that VeChain, currently hovering around the 3-cent mark, could break through the key resistance level of 3.33 cents. This breakthrough, he suggests, could propel the cryptocurrency to new highs, possibly as high as 4.425 cents. The market's recent downturn has led to VeChain's price dancing along the support line. However, CryptoZX predicts a retracement of around 17.26% from the key resistance level. This, coupled with Bitcoin surpassing the crucial $46,000 mark, could potentially trigger VeChain's surge to new yearly highs. Secondly, we explored the current state of VeChain. Despite a slight decrease in its value, the cryptocurrency's market capitalization remains strong, well above the $2 billion mark. This resilience, according to CryptoZX, indicates that VeChain is far from being down and out. Thirdly, we delved into the perception of VeChain as an undervalued and overlooked cryptocurrency. Despite the ongoing projects and developments garnering traction, the price of VeChain has not caught up to reflect the impact. In other words, VeChain's potential remains untapped, making it a sleeping giant in the crypto market. So, to sum it all up, VeChain's potential for big moves lies in key factors like its ability to break through resistance levels, Bitcoin's performance, and the traction gained by its ongoing projects. But perhaps the most crucial factor is the market's recognition of VeChain's true value. Only time will tell if VeChain can break through the resistance and surge to new heights. For now, it remains a cryptocurrency with immense potential. So keep an eye on this underdog, it might just surprise us all.